Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about enhancing your beauty routines and making sure your smile is just as radiant as your skin. If you've ever struggled with getting into those tricky spaces between your teeth, you know how important the right tools are. And today, we're looking at a product that promises to make cleaning between your teeth easier and more effective. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Wide Interdental Brush Refills 2-Seat Teeth, pack of 18. Now, we all know that a great oral care routine is essential for both health and appearance. These interdental brushes are designed to help remove plaque where your regular toothbrush can't reach. And if you've been wondering how they stack up, I've got you covered. These brushes feature a patented bristle protection and triangular-shaped bristles, which, according to the brand, remove up to 25% more plaque than the traditional round-bristled alternatives. They come in a convenient 2-count pack, and with 18 packs in total, you get quite a bit of value for the price. But do they really work? Let's dive in. I started using these go-betweens as part of my daily dental routine, and I have to say, the difference was noticeable. The triangular bristles do provide a more targeted clean, making it easier to reach between teeth, even in tighter spots. The bristles feel firm but not harsh, so you get a solid clean without worrying about irritation. I used them both in the morning and before bed after brushing, and the results were impressive. My teeth felt smooth and clean, and my gums didn't feel irritated, which is always a big plus. As for the ease of use, the handles are compact but still easy to grip, and the brushes didn't feel flimsy even after a few uses. I did notice a slight buildup of residue after a couple of uses, but that's to be expected with any dental tool. I just gave them a quick rinse, and they were good as new. So overall, the usability was smooth. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, these brushes do exactly what they promise. They help remove plaque effectively, especially in hard-to-reach places. The bristle design works really well for a deeper clean, and the packaging is compact, so storage isn't an issue. The price, given you get 18 packs, makes this a pretty cost-effective solution in the long run. On the flip side, while the size of the brush head is perfect for some, it may be a little too wide for those with more narrow gaps between their teeth. If you're someone with tighter spaces, you might need to look at a smaller brush head size for optimal use. Another thing to consider is the need for replacement. Since this is a disposable product, you'll need to keep reordering them. So, do these little brushes provide value for money? Absolutely. With their unique design and effectiveness, I believe the price is justified. They're not overly expensive and deliver strong performance, making them a great option for people who want to take extra care of their gums and teeth. If you're someone who prefers electric options or a more high-tech solution, there are alternatives like water flossers or electric interdental brushes that can give you that extra power. However, these are a great option for those who like the control and simplicity of a manual tool. In terms of build quality, the Proxabrush feels durable. The bristles are long-lasting, and even after multiple uses, they held their shape pretty well. For a disposable product, it certainly exceeded my expectations in terms of longevity. Now, for the most important part of the review, would I recommend these? If you're someone who struggles with plaque buildup or has difficulty reaching those tricky areas between teeth, these brushes are a game changer. They're simple to use, effective, and offer real value for your oral care routine. If you've already tried the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens or have any other dental care products that you swear by, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can catch more reviews and tips right here on Beautyistic. And if you're ready to grab these, the link's in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.